Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you need help with your Octa trading account, in this video I will show you how to contact OctaFx customer support through chat, email or social channels anytime, any day. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to OctaFx.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now scroll to the bottom, then tap Contacts. Now tap Start a Chat. And here tap Contact Us. Octa offers 24/7 live support with a response time under 2 minutes. Second step can be email support. If you prefer mail, send your query to support@octafx.com. This covers questions about account setup, deposits, withdrawals, KYC, trading, and more. You can also reach out via Octa's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube channels. They may respond via DMs or direct comments. On Trustpilot and review sites, Octa mentions 24/7 support in regional languages like Hindi, Indonesian, etc. Email remains the primary option. So now what to include in your message? First, clearly state your issue. For example, deposit not credited or KYC verification. Then include your account number, registered email, and screenshots if possible. Live chat usually replies in 7 seconds and most issues are resolved within 3 minutes. Emails usually get answers within a few hours. And that's it. Quick and easy ways to contact OctaFx customer support anytime you need help. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.